Still looking for Apex Legends on random websites? Stop. In the next minute, I'll show you the official and safest way to download Apex Legends on your PC without any confusion. Let's jump right in. Now open your web browser, go to steampowered.com, and download the Steam client if you don't already have it installed. Here's a critical warning. Always check for steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Open Steam on your PC and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Create a Free Account. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable Steam Guard for extra security. Navigate to the Store tab in Steam and type Apex Legends into the search bar. Then select it from the results. Here's a quick heads up. Apex Legends is free to play, so you won't be charged anything. Click the Add to Library button to link the game to your Steam account. This is the most important step, so don't skip it. Head over to your Library tab, find Apex Legends, and click Install. Once the download and installation complete, click Play to start playing.